So the final stage of recovery is restored. And restored is whatever that means to the mum. That may mean getting back to CrossFit. It may mean returning to running. It may just mean feeling unlimited in what she can do with her children at home. So it really much comes down to the mum's goals herself. When we look at this section, we need to look at what the body is requiring from a mum. So within her pelvic floor, she needs strength, endurance, reaction, control, coordination. She needs it all to prevent pelvic floor dysfunction. And so we need to make sure she has trained in all those elements in order to do what she is asking of her body. So if she's running, she really needs those fast twitch muscles to be able to prevent her from leaking when she impacts the floor. If she's lifting very heavy weights, she's going to need a lot of power and a lot of strength in that pelvic floor to counteract the weights that she is lifting. This section becomes a little bit more complex, and sometimes it gets beyond our own scope of practice. So the Mummy MOT has developed another course specifically for this higher level return to exercise. So if you are interested in this area, then we do have a separate course for that, which will run through the strength and conditioning principles, the baseline tests that we can do in order to know that a mum would be safe returning to some of these higher performing activities.